Because freedom. That's the raison d'etre a rider will give you before cruising down a public road to a public place where anyone is free to go. Freedom is motorcycling. So say dealerships when they want you to buy something. But it's shit, isn't it? Freedom is no tangible thing that you can find between two wheels or at the end of a rainbow. It's epistemic. A Han Dynasty peasant named Goo won't feel freedom like a Hell's Angel named Gus. Our definition must be relative. At this, you'd expect our motorcyclists to show a finger, probably their longest one. But what if they wrote a book instead? The best-selling philosophy book of all time. That might help us understand freedom. Take this obese dirt bike with a motor from 2006. It is not made for speed. But she still goes 0 to 60 in 3.9, which is as fast as that year's Lamborghini Gallardo. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a man in want of a super-fast car will be 70 by the time he has the fortune to buy one, at which point acceleration only draws blood away from his rapidly wilting penis. However, any 18-year-old can Snapchat their dealer, take delivery of a 15-year-old Gixxer, and blast Ferraris all day long. That should not be possible.
Free your mind.
Today, mankind is more crippled by mental health than any other disability. This is our apocalypse now. We empty our lives into little rectangles. We connect with the world through glass. But Plato never intended people to live in his cave. It's making us sick. I can point to neuroscience studies on how riding frees us to focus on one real thing, rather than being anxious about all the virtual shadows. But if we're going to wax philosophical, I'd rather point to that book. Pirsig saw how on a cycle the frame is gone. You're in the scene, not just watching it anymore, and the sense of presence is overwhelming. See, that frame, that boundary of normal existence, is what freedom is relative to. Each person will find its definition under the barriers of their own life. Stuck in a car? Get out on a bike and feel free. Unaffordable Lambo? Buy a bike, free yourself to the same speed. Inescapable virtual landscape? Screw it. I'll take my chances in the real one. You won't fit that definition on a dealership billboard, but that's why it's true. No frame.